Witness the journey of billions. From a simple grain of wheat to the world's most iconic flatbread.
Precision engineering meets ancient tradition.
This is the modern Chapati factory, where speed never compromises softness.
A symphony of automation, producing thousands of flatbreads every single hour.
Welcome to the journey of the perfect daily bread.
It begins here with the arrival of premium golden wheat, harvested from the finest fields.
Before processing, every grain undergoes rigorous cleaning to ensure absolute purity. Powerful mills crush the kernel, unlocking the essential nutrients and fiber within. This flour is stored in climate-controlled silos, preserving freshness until the moment of baking. But flour is only half the story. Highly purified water is essential for the perfect dough consistency.
A precise measure of oil is added to ensure the chapatis remain soft and pliable long after baking.
The industrial mixers roar to life, combining the ingredients with consistent, powerful force.
Controlled hydration is the key. Too little water and the bread is brittle. Too much and it cannot be shaped.
The gluten network develops under mechanical stress, giving the dough its necessary elasticity.
Only when the dough passes the elasticity test is it released for the next critical stage.
Once mixed, the dough is transferred to the divider. The journey from a chaotic mass to uniform precision begins here.
The machine extrudes the dough with consistent pressure, ensuring equal density throughout the batch.
High-speed blades slice the dough into exact portions, weighed to the gram for perfect consistency.
These rough portions enter the rounder, where spiral friction mimics the hand-rolling motion of a traditional baker.
In seconds, irregular chunks are transformed into perfect spheres, sealed with a smooth outer skin.
A synchronized army of dough balls, each one destined to become a perfect chapati.
A light dusting of dry flour ensures they travel smoothly without sticking to the machinery.
Now, the dough must rest. This critical stage, known as proofing, allows the gluten strands to relax.
Precision sensors ensure every dough ball is perfectly centered. Misalignment here would ruin the perfect circle. In a fraction of a second, hydraulic plates apply tons of pressure, combined with a flash of heat.
The heat does more than just shape. It flash seals the surface, trapping moisture inside the dough.
Special coatings ensure the sticky dough releases cleanly, preserving the pristine surface texture.
Uniformity is paramount. Each disc is now a carbon copy of the next, ready for the baking line.
Despite automation, the trained eye of a quality inspector ensures that no imperfect product proceeds to the oven.
The dough is now in its most vulnerable state, thin, soft, and ready for the transformation of fire.
Any disc that fails the strict diameter standards is instantly removed from the line.
They are gently transferred to the mesh conveyor, designed to allow heat circulation from all sides. The pressing is complete. Now, they enter the tunnel oven, where the true magic of baking begins.
Inside the 3-tier oven, the temperature is carefully graduated. The first stage sets the structure of the dough.
A precise mechanical flip ensures both sides receive equal heat, a crucial step for the magic that follows. As the temperature rises, the Maillard reaction creates those signature golden brown spots, unlocking the roasted wheat aroma. This is the moment of transformation. Water turns to steam instantly, separating the layers and creating the iconic puff.
This steam pocket cooks the bread from the inside out, ensuring the core remains soft while the crust crisps.
To preserve freshness, they must not be packed hot. They enter the spiral cooling tower, a marvel of vertical engineering.
The open mesh design allows ambient air to circulate around every millimeter of the surface, releasing trapped heat.
This journey takes exactly 25 minutes, calculated precisely to bring the core temperature down to room level.
During this ascent, the starch structure stabilizes. If packed too early, the steam would turn to water, ruining the texture.
Sensors monitor the heat signature continuously. The gradient from red to blue signifies the preservation of quality.
Artificial intelligence now takes over. Optical scanners map the surface of every chapati, checking for burn marks or irregular shapes.
At the stacking station, rotary paddles gently guide the stream into precise piles of 10, 12, or 20.
Vibration tables gently shake the stacks, aligning the edges to ensure they fit perfectly into the packaging.